I'm with Auckland Action Against Poverty, so our biggest issue right now is people living through and experiencing poverty on the daily and the trauma that comes with that. I think the biggest shift that's required in that space is for us to start thinking differently about people and starting to value people based on their existence as opposed to what they offer to the economy. Under this government, it is getting worse. I think also, though, that the communities that we work with are actually extremely resilient and resourceful and can adapt quite quickly because of conditions outside of themselves that they've always had to kind of move and figure out how to live through. I think, though, there's an opportunity here for our communities to remember in their own voice and remember in their own power, and that's why I was really excited about attending tonight's event, because having the solidarity of the CTU and other progressive movements alongside people who have been struggling or living in poverty or on benefits is really crucial for amplifying change in this country. From our perspective at AAAP, it's always been about livable income, so making sure that people have enough money to live on and also to thrive, but also looking at investment in universal essential services for a just transition. So making sure that public services are universal and made free, public transport, healthcare, education, more public housing to ensure that there's a holistic care for our communities, that our communities are resourced to be able to participate in a just transition, and that so that we can look at change and constitutional transformation that's been outlined in Matika Mai. Successive governments are at fault for poverty, actually, and the existence of poverty in this country. Poverty didn't exist here until the colonial capitalist system was established. And so, as I mentioned earlier, looking to shift the ways in which we perceive ourselves, perceive each other, perceive even Papatūānuku, ensuring that the well-being and priority of all peoples and our magnificent planet is made the priority moving forward.